Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome to my safe place, I guess you could say. Today we're gonna unbox the month of August BoxyCharm. Here it is. I didn't do last month's BoxyCharm because I'm lazy. So here I am trying to do this month. So we're gonna open her up with some handy dandy lash scissors. Okay. And then here is the box. So this month's BoxyCharm is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber, right here. And then on the back it has all their little good information with prices and all the breakdown and all that good stuff. So first I was just gonna open this up. Okay, I'm gonna sit this down because I'm not good at this. First thing when you open it up is this Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Let's see if this is on here. This retails for $24. Let's open her up. I'm trying to be quick with these. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this one is just Sunset Bronzer. That's what it looks like, and this is what she looks like inside there. She's a she. The next one's gonna be a boy. Next thing is going to be, what the hell is this? Oh, I thought this was a literal drink, but these are ESW Beauty, Pineapple Bliss, Deep Detox, and the Pink Dream. And these, where are these? These are the Juice Cleanse Mask set of 3, and these are $18. I ain't putting on one of those right now. Next thing is going to be the, whatever this is, QMS Medic Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Has this got a color on it? Oh, and it's got a color. Okay, so this one is a day cream. Does it say what color it is? Okay, well this is a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, helps to burn infection over the. Okay, this says it's $105. So y'all watch this. That's like $5 wasted on my hand. Okay, so that's the QMS Meta Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. So we're gonna put that on. Next thing is going to be this. This is a Clarins Paris Velvet Lip Perfector. This is $26 hairs. Okay, and then this one, does it have a shade? I don't think there's a shade, unless I'm reading Pantoys. Mepher Clarins. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's got a little tip like that. Oh, it does have a shade. Oh, it looks like that. Okay, so there's that. We're gonna put that on last. And then next thing is the Butter London Teddy Boy Eyeshadow Palette. That's cute. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is the inside. What colors are these? Is this all like bluish? Looking good, darling. It says it right there. That's pretty funny. Okay, so then let's just read what this says. A highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile cool tone neutral hues. Create an array of looks with the matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skins. Touch-ups are easy thanks to this small, easy to carry mirrored compact. It's talking about this little ass mirror inside here. Okay, so that is it. So we got an eyeshadow palette, we got a bronzer, we got a whatever this is, I don't even know. And then we got this, a red lip with the blue eyes. Okay, and then we got the things I thought was a drink. So, I guess we're just gonna start. I'm gonna put on some... Oh, I'll tell you how much the price is here. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I only have a few things to put on here. So let's get into it. First thing we are going to do is put on Miss QMS Meta Cosmetics. I'm just going to use like this flat brush right here. So we're just going to squirt onto it and put on my face. Just like that. So this is, I guess, not really like a foundation. It's more like it says day cream, so I don't know. I was just reading the little thing and it basically is saying that it's supposed to blend in your skin and even it out. So we'll see. So this is gonna be a sort of casual look today, I guess. Try to pounce it, I guess, I don't know. I don't really think that it did much to my skin. Still looks the same. Okay. So with that being said, I don't think I like this. It's kind of sticky and gross. There's that. I don't know if I should put powder on my face or what I should do, but maybe we'll try some powder. So I'm just gonna take just a fluffy brush, this one. I'm gonna dip into Laura Mercier to sort of powder everything. Just to make it last, I guess. I don't know. Because we're gonna put on that bronzer. Okay. We're all set. So then we're gonna take the same brush, this fluffy one. This is from Morphe, and just do this. Tap it and bronze up the face. I'm already pretty tan. Let's tan my forehead a little bit, even though it doesn't need to be. And then my nose. Even though that thing is huge, you can see it from a mile away. Jawline. And underneath the lip. All right, there's that. Next thing, it's all dusty, is to put on Miss Teddy Boy. Oh, let me do my eyebrows real quick. I'll be right back, okay? All right, we're back. I just did brows. I didn't even put any primer on or anything like that. We're just going bare-eyed today. So we're gonna go ahead and use our Little Miss palette here with this little ass mirror. Okay, so we have all of these shades here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 4 like shimmering whatevers. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this shade. They're all named by guys. So this first shade's name is Nigel. Maybe we just set this here and just grab a Aesthetica again, because this is a bigger mirror than that little ass square. And we're just gonna put this all over our eye. Just to start a little base here. All right. Next, we're going to take our next shade, which is this one, Simon, and this is, what is this? The Jack on Hill JH38 brush. I'm just gonna tap it barely in. Oh my god. I guess we're using this little tiny ass one. And put that in the crease. Next, we're going to go into, we're gonna go into Freddy, this blue one right here. why not? I'm gonna go back into Simon. Just bring Simon over to the blue shade. Then I'm going to go into Nigel, which is the lightest shade that we used earlier, and put that right here in the very, very beginning. The inner corner at the very beginning. I swear I know what I'm talking about. Just make our eye look a little bit brighter there. And then going into Simon, the medium shade. Bring that here. And then into Freddie, the blue shade, this one. I'm putting that. And then we're gonna take Archie, the white, shortest shimmery shade. And just flutter it. We're gonna get some setting spray. Spray it on there. And this is Archie going. I'm gonna use the other side, and I'm gonna go into Mick, which is this one. And we're gonna put that in. There you have it. I mean, that doesn't look too bad. Looks okay. All right, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, put some lashes on maybe, and I'll be right back to put on this red lip. Okay, I'm back, and I finished the other eye and then put on some eyelashes. These are basically just some little, little tiny Morphe Malibu lashes. They're like the $2 ones. Now we're gonna put on this red lip from Claren. So this is cool, it's like a little squeezy. And we're gonna use this little ass mirror. Okay, ready? Ooh. Alright, I don't know what the hell I look like. I guess this makes my teeth look a little bit wider, but overall, this is literally like my grandma. I don't know if anyone has a grandma, but it's like grandma's going to the casino. She put on her red lipstick and her blue eyeshadow, and she's ready. And ain't nobody telling Granny that she can't go to the casino, because Granny is going to the casino whether you like it or not. All right. All in all, I don't think I would recommend this box. Even if you could recommend it or not, whatever. I don't think I would like. I don't like this box. It literally came with this palette. I mean, I used the majority of all the shades. I probably didn't use 2 shades. Where is it? They came with this smelly ass grandma foundation that stinks, and it's $105. So that's a flop for me. Hopefully it didn't shoot everywhere. Next thing that came in it was the Clarins, the grandma lipstick. I mean, it's like dried already, so that's good about this. And it's like, on the go. Bronzer, Doesn't look bad. I'm already pretty tan, and I had frickin' not even foundation to really put it on. What else came in this? These things came in. So that is this month's box. You'll see me on the next one. Subscribe, like, comment, and do whatever. Comment what you want me to do next. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!